Hi everybody, this is the helper video for the extended response for CR number 1. Hopefully after watching this video it'll help you to attack the problem that's in the CR and you'll be able to handle it without a problem. So let's go ahead and get started. It says your bank account has $60 in it. You purchased 2 notebooks for school that cost a total of $8. You buy new clothes which cost $50 and you buy new stickers for your computer for $10. Do you have enough money to buy these items? Write and solve an equation that models the situation. Okay, so our bank account starts with $60 in it. When we have $60, that means it's a positive amount that we have in our bank account. That's what we have to spend total. So we're going to start with that first amount that's written right here. I'm going to go ahead and circle it in our problem. Then it says I purchase 2 notebooks for school for a total of $8. If I'm purchasing those notebooks, that means I'm deducting it from the amount I have in my account. In other words, I'm subtracting that amount from the $60 I have. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put subtraction of $8. Then it says I buy new clothes, which cost $50. Well, if I'm buying new clothes, that means I'm paying for them. So that means I'm also going to subtract that from the amount I have in my bank account. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put subtract 50 because this represents the clothing that I bought. Last, it says I buy new stickers for my computer for $10. If I'm buying those new stickers for my computer, that means I'm also going to be deducting or subtracting that amount from my bank account. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put minus 10. I don't know what this amount is. So now that's my expression that I've written. My equation is going to be equals x, because remember an equation always has an equal sign, and x just means it's a variable for the answer that I don't know. The x just represents the number that I'm looking for in this problem. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change colors just to help you see a little bit better, is I'm going to work left to right on this equation because all I'm dealing with is subtraction. So the first thing I do is I subtract 60 minus 8. And if you take your calculator, which you're allowed to use on your extended response, 60 minus 8 is 52. I'm going to go ahead and bring down every other part of this equation because I have not done or worked with these numbers yet. So they remain the same. I am then going to switch colors again to help you see the next step. Working left to right, I now take 52 and I subtract 50. 52 minus 50 is 2, and then I bring down the rest of my equation because we haven't even touched it yet and we're just bringing it down. All right, well here we go. Now we have 2 minus 10. Remember, a number that doesn't have a positive or a negative in front of it is automatically positive. And if you looked at my previous videos explaining to you about positives and negatives, I like to look at these numbers as bad guys and good guys to help me solve it. Obviously, you can double check this on your calculator. But if you want to think this with bad guys and good guys, I have 2 good guys written here. Those are my positives. But then, just to change color here so you can see it better, I have 10 bad guys, which are my negatives. Well, what do I have more of? Do I have more good guys or do I have more bad guys? Well, hopefully you're saying 10 is bigger than 2, so I definitely have more bad guys. So my answer has to be negative. Now, how many more bad guys do I have than good guys? Well, I have 2 good guys, 10 bad guys. 10 minus 2 is 8. So I have 8 more bad guys than good guys. Now notice I'm saying that equals x. So that equals the amount that is now in my bank account. Well, hopefully you're realizing that if I have a negative value in my bank account, that means I do not have enough money to purchase these items because I am now in the negative. I don't have enough money in my bank account to actually purchase these items. So the final question is, do you have enough money to buy these items? No. I need $10 more, I need $8 more. It'd be great if I said the correct number. So you would need $8 more in order to and let me just put a dollar sign here, in order to purchase these items. So this will help you to answer that extended response. Good luck. Remember, you can always come back and look at the video and as many times as you need.